Watch this video and learn how to draw a green slimy toad. Later in the video, Mikey and Betty sing a song. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie, we're here.
Oh, hello, little artist.
Hello, Artie. You know how you like toads?
Yes?
Well, let's draw one today.
Oh, Artie would love that. Can we please?
Of course we can.
Okay, yay!
Greetings, little artist!
What's up, little artists?
What a carrot-tastic day it is! I'm so happy you are all here.
We're happy too, Bunny.
Yeah.
Should we start, Artie?
Oh, Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait.
Okay, Artie, calm down. Come on, let's begin. Let's start by drawing our toad's eyes. A nice big circle on the left side. Artie, after we've done this drawing, we can go out in the garden and see if we can find a real toad.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh.
That's it. Keep going round to finish the circle. There you go. Now let's draw a smaller circle inside that one. If Artie's going a little too quick, here's a message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Now let's draw the right eye. Leave quite a big space in between the two circles, and then try and draw exactly the same again, but on the right side. So if you remember, first of all a large circle, and then a smaller circle inside. Very good, Artie. Now we're going to shade the space between the big circle and the little circle in completely black. Take your time, Artie. It's going to take a little bit of patience. You don't want to go outside the lines, so really take your time. Oh, here's Bunny.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Did you miss me? 'Cause I missed you.
No.
Wow, I'm hopping with excitement over this drawing, Artie.
Oh, thank you.
Have a hoptastic day. Bye.
Bye.
A hoptastic day. Do you see what she did there, Artie?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. You like it when Bunny comes to visit.
Yeah.
She's so sweet. Oh, Artie, you've already done the left eye. Good job. Very, very neat. Now, can you do the same on the right side with the right eye? You know, these eyes remind me a little bit of your eyes, Artie.
No. No.
Yeah, I suppose you're right. I'm very impressed by how patient you're being. You're really taking your time and doing a really nice job. Sometimes you have to have a lot of patience when you're drawing or painting or making any kind of art.
Artie thinks we should have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
Why don't we have Mikey and Betty sing a song?
Okay. Song break.
Here we go.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat who likes to play. Learn your letters every day. D is for dog, bark and run. E is for elephant, having fun. F is for fish swimming in the sea. Learn all the letters you see. G is for goat eating grass. H is for horse running fast. I is for igloo in the snow. So many letters you know. J is for jump, let's move around. K is for kite, flying with no sound. L is for lion, king of the land. Learning letters hand in hand. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. N is for nest, where birds like to be. O is for ocean, deep and blue. Home to whales and dolphins too. P is for panda, eating bamboo. Q is for queen, waving at you. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. Learning letters is a blast. S is for snake, sliding by. T is for tiger, roar, oh my. U for umbrella, it keeps us dry. It's fun, give it a try. V for violin, playing a tune. W is for whale, under the moon. X is for xylophone, playing a song. Come on, sing along. Y is for yak, big and strong. Z is for zebra, stripes so long. Now we know our ABC, so please sing with me. Let's sing the alphabet. This is fun, we won't forget. From A to Z, we know them all. Letters big and letters small.
Song break! That was a really good song break!
Betty and Mikey did so well.
Yeah,
I didn't know they could sing.
yeah.
Well, should we finish the drawing?
Okay, yeah, okay.
Now we're going to draw a circle outline just outside the eyes. Let's start on the left side. Just go halfway around the eye. Watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Now draw a little curved line across the top. This is going to be the toad's forehead. That's it. And then now let's do another outline around the right eye. Don't forget, just half a circle around the eye. Alright, let's give him some cheeks. Start on the right side with a big curved right cheek. You know, Artie, I haven't seen Painty in a long time.
That's right. I haven't seen Painty either. Not for a few... Oh no, here he comes.
Oh, I love it! Uh-oh. Yeah! Wow! Run!
Oh, Bunny, you shouldn't be laughing. He's made a mess everywhere. Ugh, that Painty. He's such a scoundrel. Let's draw two little short lines at the top. That's going to be our toad's nose. And then a nice big smiley mouth between the eyes. Oh, and Artie, let's give him a tongue. That's right.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yeah,
Well, I suppose we could.
yes please.
Okay, go on then.
Okay.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured green.
Artie loves green. Green leaves from the tree. green grass. It's a little green frog. It's a big green bus.
Well done, Artie. You found lots of green things.
Artie loves green. Cartoon break. That was a really good one.
It was very green.
Yeah.
Let's finish our green
Yeah,
toad.
Okay. Yeah. Cartoon break.
Okay, come on. Now let's draw a large oval shape on our toad's chest. This'll help later on when we're colouring in. Continue all the way round the right side, Artie. That's it.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Let's give our toad some little feet. Just 3 toes at the end. 1, 2, 3. There you go. As easy as that. Now time for the left one. 1, 2, 3. And don't forget the leg going up. That's it. Let's give him a back leg. A big curve and then a flipper on the end.
Huh. You know, Artie really is a cool kid.
He sure is, Barry. You only just realised that? Well, that leg looks really good, Artie. Let's do the same on the right side. A nice zigzag-shaped flipper. Now let's give him a tummy. Just a curved line from his front leg all the way to his right leg. Well, I don't know about you, Artie, but this is looking pretty finished. What do you think?
I finished.
I thought so. It's really good.
Yeah. Oh, I like it. But it needs colour. Let's colour it in.
Good idea.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Artie's finished.
Great job, Artie. It's a work of art.
Yeah, Artie is very arty.
You sure are.
Goodbye, Artie.
Hey kids, have a great day.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.
Yeah.